Find features that distinguish it from other brands for NIXBOT QP5, Robotic Pool Cleaner, Cordless Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools, Dual Motor Turbine System, Robotic Pool Vacuum, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Powerful dual motor performance. Designed for in-ground pools, Pool Cleaner Robot features a dual motor system that delivers power and traction, effortlessly tackling debris. Smart sensor-driven navigation. With advanced sensors, sensor-based navigation, this pool robot vacuum for in-ground pools maps your pool in real time, avoids obstacles, and optimizes cleaning paths for complete coverage. Cordless freedom and lightweight design. Unlike traditional pool vacuums tangled with cords, this cordless pool cleaner, compatible with above-ground and in-ground pools, moves around without snags. Advanced filtration and durability. Pool robot keeps the water in your in-ground pool clear and clean. Effortless onboard control. No complicated operation required. Choose the mode according to your needs, floor, wall, automatic. Just press the button and put Pool Cleaner Vacuum in the water and it will start working immediately. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.